How to update your NVIDIA card drivers. So first you will need to use NVIDIA app, which you should have installed, and if you don't have it already, you can open up a browser and then search for NVIDIA app like this and click on the first link to download it from the official NVIDIA website. And then you should simply install it and open it up and then go to the drivers section. From here you want to select game ready driver or studio driver. Game ready driver is usually for gaming people, and the other is for developers or creative apps. So I'm going to select game ready driver and check for updates by clicking this arrow right here. And you can find a download button here if there is any available update. You can press download here to start downloading the update, and then you should press install to install it. And if you have the latest version already installed, and if you're having issues with it, you can simply press the reinstall button right here to manually reinstall the driver. And then you should basically restart your PC. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.